In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to get through your shift easier and faster than ever before. From now on, this all-Australian designed and built auto scrubber, the Polivac 1700E, will enable you to simply walk through your work while it does the rest. The 1700E is one of the world's most advanced auto scrubbers, laying solution, scrubbing and then vacuuming up the solution, all in one pass. No more going over the same area 2 or 3 times. The 1700E and you will get large area scrubbing done easier, faster and safer with the Polivac Power Cleaning Program. It covers 5 easy stages. 1. Prepare. 2. Protect. 3. Plan. 4. Perform. And 5. Packing up. Stage 1. Prepare. After you've watched this video, you must read the manual for the machine before you begin assembly and keep it close by as you prepare the machine for use. Assembling. Here's how to put the machine together. Attach the squeegee to the mounts on the back at the base of the machine using the 2 thumb nuts on top of the squeegee. Ensure the nuts are tightened. The roller wheels on the squeegee must face away from the machine. Now connect the 32mm black hose from the machine to the squeegee. The power lead can now be connected to the socket on the top of the machine. Make sure the male and female plug and socket are clipped into the lead hook holder attached to the machine. The female socket must face down. Connect the lead to the restraining clip. You can now plug the lead into the power point and turn the switch to on. Put the brush on the floor, then position the drive hub of the machine over the top of the brush. To engage the brush, pull the red trigger. If the brush does not engage immediately, lift the machine and move it slightly forward. Then pull the trigger again to re-engage. Filling. To fill the machine, open the square solution tank lid. Fill the tank with a bucket or hose. Now the solution can be applied to the brush. Pull out the solution rod lever. This releases the water onto the brush. To lower the squeegee, move the square lever on the top of the tank to the left. This also starts the vacuum. Stage 2. Protect. Before you start cleaning, place safety signs around the area where you'll be working. No loose clothing or jewellery is to be worn when operating this machine. However, enclosed footwear must be worn at all times. Let the machine do the work. Go with it. There is no need to push. Stand up straight in a natural position. Avoid twisting or bending over. Don't use the machine if it doesn't carry a tag indicating current test and tag approval. If the machine doesn't have a test tag, call your supervisor. Check the lead and lead restraint so that there isn't any tension on the socket. Always trail the lead behind you as you work. Always use the belt clip. Do not put the lead over your shoulder. Under no circumstances should extension leads be used with this machine. Due to the weight of the machine, care must be taken when lifting and carrying. In most situations, particularly up or down stairs, a 2-person lift is required. The lead plug should be removed from the wall socket when cleaning the machine. You should be aware at all times that slip, trip and fall hazards exist when operating the 1700E. Care should be taken not to run the machine over the power lead. The Polivac 1700E gives you, the operator, the highest possible level of safety and protection. All you need to do is follow the procedures in this video and the manual. Stage 3. Plan. If you plan your work before you start, that really is working smarter. A few minutes spent walking the job, checking out the position of furniture, fittings or any changes from your last shift before you start will mean you're well and truly ready to get things underway. Here are 5 easy steps. Step 1. Check the location of all power points. Step 2. Relocate any loose furniture where possible. Step 3. Work away from the power point. Step 4. Always overlap each pass with your return run. And Step 5. If cleaning a very large area, move the safety signs as you go if necessary. Stage 4. Perform. Stand upright behind the control panel. Once the brush or pad is engaged and the machine trigger left on, the 1700E will move forward by itself using the machine's self-propulsion system. Always start at the power point end of the work area, working away from it with the power lead behind you. If you find the machine is not tracking in a straight line, you can adjust the T-knob just forward of the squeegee plate. To adjust the tracking system, simply turn the T-knob to the left if the machine is pulling to the left, or by turning it to the right if the machine is pulling to the right. To adjust the squeegee blade up or down, rotate the turnbuckle either left or right. Stage 5. Packing up. When you've finished the job, empty the recovery tank using the clear hose on the right of the tank. Simply unscrew the top valve and pour the fluid into a bucket. Rinse out the recovery tank with a hose or bucket. Repeat the process to ensure the tank is completely clean. Wipe the machine over after each use. Remove the pad or brush and clean it with fresh water. Allow it to dry thoroughly before storing. Remove the squeegee tool and rinse it under running water, ensuring all the dirt and debris are removed from the squeegee blade. Wipe the power lead clean and check for damage each time you roll it up. It's important to always wind the lead in a looping motion from the machine to avoid twisting. The machine should be stored in a secure location with the skirt sitting neatly around the machine. Use a block of wood and rest the spindle on it. The scrubber should not be stored with the brush or pad holder attached. All attachments should be removed and stored suitably on a shelf or in boxes. Now you've learned all you need to know about how to get through your shift easier, faster and safer than ever before. From now on, this all-Australian designed and built auto scrubber, the Polivac 1700E and the Polivac 5-step power cleaning program will enable you to simply walk through your work while it does the rest. How easy is that?